Spells on the beat.
Hello, my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are coming from. If today is your first time come across my video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification so that any day, anytime I go live, you will be the first to see. Yes, my brothers and sisters, I don't come again today. Today, waiting I take come today now. This thing when this video when it be say I'm about to talk about. If you now see how these people, all of them now are from Igbo land, no one come from Hausa land, no one come from Fulani land. So maybe now these boys now then carry this girl. Maybe this girl come Libya, make she come cross go Italy. I don't know how it take come across Igbo people. He fellow Igbo, she na Igbo, na he fellow Igbo men too. Now all of them. If you see the kind of beating where then they beat this girl, if you see flog, they flog her for impeccals, they flog her for they flog her anyhow. As the person sent me this video, I can't they cry. I said no. This is the same people who say Fulani herdsmen, they worry them. This is the same people who say Hausa, they worry them. I'm not talking about what is happening in Nigeria. I know Igbo, they kill Igbo. I know Igbo, they thief Igbo. Igbo, they use Igbo, they do ritual. Igbo, they do Igbo. Now, different things now they happen for everywhere, for where we come for Nigeria. Now, everything they happen like that. But this one, where they beat this girl for Libya like this, they flog it, they do them. More than 7 boys hold a girl that they beat them. Tell me why that they beat them now. Maybe they don't tranquil them. If you don't know what them be tranquil now the one when he be say they go hold girl, they go hold man, they go tell her and say may he go control for house, may he control him family. Igbo man go hold him fellow Igbo man, the same village self, he go hold him for Libya, he go say may he come pay. If he not pay now, so they beat him. They go always, some people that they kill them for Libya. Igbo go kill Igbo for Libya. Because why? He need money for that person. They go trancate the person, they go beat her, better beating. Some people know they survive. For this video where I want to tell you now, more I don't see now, if you not see the video, I go cry. Una go cry for this video. My brothers and sisters, please, I will leave this video for you people so that you will hear the kind of cry. Anybody that need the video, inbox me, I will send you the video. Thank you guys. Just tomorrow, I will send it.
Your boyfriend, Abby.
Hold your hand, make it break, make it break. If you want. Oh yeah. You may hold on.
Your boyfriend. Your boyfriend.
Why am I? Come on, shut up.
Daddy. Imalo.
Don't let down to this.
Turn away.
Hold on, yellow. Basholo. Pour water the whole body. Pour water for the whole body.
Hey, no pin kita no continue from where I stop. Come on, your phone.
Come on, your phone.
This guy knows to free. This guy knows to free. Come on, shut up.
Me pick bunga ida. Come me pick boss sister. You try me pay the equal. Me pay the equal sister. Me pay sister. Me pay off my t-shirt. Me pay off. Me. Can wash your hand. Me pay ya. Me pay off. Me pay off. Me pay off my sister. Me pay your half. Me pay your half. Me pay your half. What be that sister? Ah, pay one with your half. Ah, pay one with your half. Oh, pay one. We pack at the half. We pack at the door. We pack at the door. We pack at the door. What back at the door? Me poke was sister. Come on, me poke was sister. Idiot. Me no better go.
My brothers and sisters, if you see this video, una go cry for this girl, una go pity for her, una go pity for her family. Una go pity for the girl, una go pity for her family. This one are the same people when it be said that they disturb all over Nigeria. They tell say, we need Biafra, we need this, we need that. But you cannot even be together with your brothers and sisters. Because of money, you can kill, you can do anything. Just imagine now, look at your own sister. Assuming say you are a good people, a good country. Maybe you will see your brother in this kind of situation. You will even to take her, put her into his house, and make sure that you make her happy and give her food and tell her what to do the next. But look at how you people they beat them. Una they beat them like this. After una don't beat them because of money. Maybe now you are go check Nigeria as a whole. People where they do tranque for Libya now only Igbo. If you no know tranque, I don't first talk am before. My brothers and sisters where they watch me from different country. Now only Igbo they do tranque in Libya. Igbo people will hold you in that inside the room. They will be beating you, flogging you, telling your family to send money to them. And the same person that they are beating, some of them they are from Igbo. Some of them they are the same village from them that will still beat them and let them control money from Nigeria. This is what they do. Tomorrow now, we need Biafra. We need Biafra. The way you people look for money all over Nigeria is not the way human being look for money. You people look for money by do or die. You look for money like that. Look at what you are doing. Somebody's daughter. My brothers and sisters, if you now watch this in cry go come up for now. I know say now waiting women they pass, some of them they pass through. After they don't enter, they go begin they burn like chicken. They go forget what they suffer for. So my brothers and sisters, thank you so much. I come in peace. Please, if today is your first time come across my video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification so that any day, anytime I go live, you will be the first to see. If you still need the video, inbox me. I will send this video for you as it is hot. If I not fit send it today, I will send it tomorrow. Thank you so much, my brothers and sisters. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please share this video to people, especially send it to Igbo people. Let them see how their people are doing in Libya.
Spells on the beat. Tiwa Savage on this one, yeah. Whiskey.